Welcome to our webinar. I'm excited to show you how our product, Google Ads, can help small and medium-sized businesses achieve online success more quickly. Let's start with the question: why are Google Ads so important for your business? With Google Ads, you can target people who are actively searching for your products or services on Google search results by having your website appear at the top. This means you can place your ads directly in front of potential customers at the moment they are making purchasing decisions. The setup process for Google Ads is user-friendly and partially automated. You can choose from numerous ad versions based on your business information, the entered keywords, and your website. We use responsive search ads that test different combinations of headlines and descriptions to find the best performing variant. In the next step, you can select up to 15 ad headlines and up to 4 ad descriptions. It's important to skillfully include keywords, use well-crafted sentences, and incorporate effective calls to action in your ad texts. Then, you set your daily budget and choose the recharge amount in our prepaid system. Once you've reviewed all the details, you can verify and launch your campaign. After our experts have reviewed and approved your campaign, you can monitor the performance of your ads. It's important to regularly check clicks and costs to ensure you're achieving the best possible results. A crucial aspect of our Google Ads campaigns is the careful selection and continuous adjustment of your keywords, as user search behavior constantly changes. This is essential for using your advertising budget efficiently and getting targeted clicks. There are 4 main keyword options: broad match, phrase match, exact match, and brand keywords. Let's start with broad match. This option offers the widest reach. Your ad will be shown when search queries are similar to your keyword, even if they contain misspellings, synonyms, or related searches. This is ideal for reaching a broad audience but requires careful monitoring to ensure high-quality clicks. Next, phrase match. Your ad will be shown when the search query contains the exact phrase you specified in the correct order. This option limits the reach compared to broad match, but improves the relevance of ad placement. Another option is exact match. As the name suggests, this is the most precise option, where your ad is shown only when the search query exactly matches your keyword. This reduces reach, but increases the accuracy and efficiency of budget usage. Additionally, you should consider using brand keywords to ensure your ads appear for searches related to your brand. It's equally important to define negative keywords to prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant searches, which can lower your costs and increase the relevance of your campaign. A quick note on the target region and timing. Make sure to select the appropriate target region. If you run a local business, you should limit your campaign to a specific area to avoid wasting your budget on irrelevant clicks. Additionally, decide whether your campaign should run only during business hours or 24/7. Also, make sure to use Google Assets. We offer the integration of call, location, additional information, and site link assets. These help your ads stand out and differentiate from the competition. Thank you for watching. We hope you've gained valuable insights into how our Google Ads product can help your business grow online.